Hello everyone, welcome to Learn and Shine with Shaman. As every day we take one topic to speak upon, so today's topic is mobile phone. Yes, mobile phone is we can say it an indispensable part of our life, and nowadays we can see it anywhere, everywhere. So it is a ubiquitous thing, I would say, and we cannot live without mobile. It's nowadays it is completely inevitable, we cannot avoid it. And with because of mobile we can do many things. It is a creation of man, which I can say the boon for the human being. Yeah, first of all, the very important thing that we get from the mobile is convenience. Convenience means convenience of making payments, convenience of be in touch with people, then convenience of look up information. Anytime we can look up for information through mobile. Any kind of information we can get from the mobile, and people study from mobile, learn many new skills from mobile, do payments, attend meetings. Okay, and nowadays the many companies have started that work from home culture, so people can work from their home. So for that matter they can use mobile phones. So it is really a boon, I would say. But as you know, every coin has its two sides. So as advantages are there, uh, we know, and as well as disadvantage also there. So what are the disadvantages? People get addicted to mobile because of watching reels and shorts. They hooked up with mobile. They started to get addiction of the mobile, and because of that they procrastinate their things, procrastinate their work, whatever they have prioritized. They procrastinate that work. Even children also procrastinate their studies. So moreover I say that your mobile phones are really a boon for human being, but at the same time it is a double edged sword. So we use it wisely, we shouldn't misuse it. We get every information at our fingertips, but when we balance technology, then only we can use it wisely. Though it is a really nice technology, we get many kinds of things, but if we use it widely, we can get more and more benefits of mobile. Okay, so today's words are, which I have used in this speech: indispensable, ubiquitous, and inevitable. Inevitable means unavoidable thing, which is really very important. Ubiquitous means a thing which you can see everywhere. Indispensable means the thing which is very very important for you. Okay, and the idioms I have used, which are double-edged sword, and coin has two sides. Okay, so these things I have used. Like this you can speak upon any topic every day. By that you improve your communication skill, your English fluency. So every day I'll post this kind of videos to boost your energy, to motivate you. So like that you also speak any topic, and just message me in comment box that which topic you have taken for speaking or for describing. Thank you. Keep learning, keep doing, don't give up. Okay, and follow for more. Like, share and subscribe.